Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find a Shopify link. First, let's understand what a Shopify link looks like. Most Shopify stores use a custom domain, but their underlying platform link often contains Shopify.com. Knowing this structure is your first step. We'll cover several straightforward methods to locate these links, whether you're a customer, a developer, or just curious. This guide will help you quickly pinpoint the exact store you're looking for, saving you valuable time and effort. A great starting point is often the website's footer or Contact Us page. Many businesses proudly display their store link there. Don't forget social media. Instagram bios, Facebook pages, and even Pinterest profiles frequently include direct links to their Shopify stores. Also, if you've received any promotional emails from a brand, the store link is almost always prominently featured within the email content. These are usually the quickest ways to find what you're looking for. For more elusive links, try using your browser's developer tools. Right-click on a page and select Inspect to view the source code. Sometimes the Shopify.com domain appears there. If a custom domain is used, a Whois lookup can reveal registration information, which might indirectly lead you to the Shopify store. Additionally, several online directories and e-commerce marketplaces list stores, often including their platform details. These methods offer a deeper dive when simpler approaches don't yield results. To summarize, finding a Shopify link involves a few key strategies. Start with obvious places like website footers and social media. If those don't work, delve into browser inspection or Whois lookups. Always prioritize security. Ensure the link is legitimate before engaging with the store. Recognizing the Shopify.com pattern is a powerful tool. By combining these techniques, you'll be able to efficiently locate almost any Shopify store link you need.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.